What's up guys, welcome back to this channel, and for today we have another diecast parcel to be unboxed. Another legit transaction from Sir Den How. He is a collector and a seller. Before we open this up, allow me to greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, so let's open this package. This package galing to sa Pangasinan, yan. Okay, so open na natin to. By the way, itong nakuha natin sa kanya, this is another diecast na crane, guys. Out from the collection ni Sir Den How. Yan. Okay, so by the way, part 1 lang muna to guys, itong video natin. And stay tuned na lang muna para sa part 2. Buksan muna natin to guys. Ang brand nito, very famous yung brand na to, na TWH Collectibles at 1:50 scale. Yan. Medyo rare tong mga ganitong diecast, at least sa Philippine market lang. And nakakuha tayo ng isa kay Sir Den How. Yan. By the way, dito brand new. This is a pre-lab item only, pero yung condition ng toy nito is mint condition. Medyo old box. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga stain, pero it is what it is kasi na to, medyo vintage na to. I guess this is from 2017 model. Yan. At yung brand name niya is Groove. The model is YB5515. Means this is a 15-tonner crane. Yan. Ganito yung tsura niya guys. Yan. This is an industrial crane. Yan. Groove. Manitowoc Crane Group. Yan. And yung maker na ito is yan. TWH Collectibles. Yan. So this is 1:50 scale. Yan yung itsura niya guys. So open na natin to. As always, inumpisa natin sa pag-unbox ng parcel. Teka, check ko lang guys kung may nakadikit. Kasi syempre, yun. Yan, meron siyang styro sa loob. Yan. Okay, yung package niya also includes brochure, product brochure. Yun yung model niya, YB5515. Siguro. Yan, may diagram, range diagram. Ano ba ito? Yun. Parts of the crane. Okay, so doon tayo sa crane mismo. Ayan, ito siya. Very cute. And may weight din. May weight satisfaction. Napakaganda na itong crane na to. Tignan natin yung mga parts na included. This one, I think ito yung niya, extension jib para dito sa dulo. Yan, ito yung extension jib niya. Okay, so open na natin. By the way, part 1 muna tong video natin guys, because medyo busy pa tayo. This is holiday season ngayon, and pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga parts na included dito sa box. Ang ganda rin ng detail guys. By the way, this is a industrial crane guys, hindi siya yung mga mobile crane na nakikita sa construction site. Usually nakikita to sa mga shipyards. Yan, ganyan siya. Ang ganda nung crane hook niya. Very cute. Diecast yan. Feeling ko lahat yan diecast. Okay, so may mga natanggal ditong parts para dito yan cover ng engine saka dito sa likod. Yan, mga gimmick to guys. Ito yung wheel articulation niya is separate or individual wheel articulation left and right. Yan, aside from dyan may mga nabubuksan na mga details. Ito engine cover to. Yan, nabubuksan yan. Yun. Tapos, of course, yung pintuan, nabubuksan to. Yan, operator's cabin niya. Ang ganda. Okay, so, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Just stay tuned para sa part 2 neto. We'll be revealing yung dimensions niya, more on dun sa gimmicks niya, and tignan natin, sukatin natin yung height netong boom niya, gaano siya kahaba. Okay, so if you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the coming video. Just stay tuned guys, and goodbye.